If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Wait. I need a breather. Selfish Walk look iconic already as well. Selfish Waltz, I mean. Whew. Man on Fire go hard too. All right, Selfish Waltz. In the club, we all fam. Ooh. Hold up. Ooh, more DM heavy. I love that part. This guy's sexy. Where are we going with this? Where are we going with this? It was taking me on a journey, y'all. Woo! Hey, thanks for following. Ooh! That whole wow. It's very Daft Punk heavy too in that part. Wait a second. That shit go hard. Hold up. Play that a little. I need to experience that. I need to experience that again. Hold up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, let it breathe. Let the instrumental breathe, Ateez. Wow, this one's fire too. Okay. They're all, and almost all the songs are almost above all 3 minutes. Woo! Ah, I love that. Yes, let me know your thoughts, y'all. Let me know your thoughts. Keep commenting. Oh, yes. Woo! My God. Wow. That was fire. I can see why some of y'all like that too. Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there.